Alright, well, let's start this off. For starters, my period will not stop. I'm still bleeding, like Niagara Falls. It won't stop. It literally will not stop. And I am genuinely feeling like defeated. I just want it to end. Just want it to end. The period. I literally cried on 3 separate occasions because I'm just completely over it. So over it. If I ever release this is about a period that lasted more than 7 or 8 days. 10 max is where I don't feel defeated. But once I've gotten paid twice and I'm still on my period, then I start to feel just a little bit irritated. Now it's coming up on the 3rd time and I'm still, do you know how many weeks that is? That's like 2.5 weeks. All right, we're coming up on 3 weeks. I am just over it on so many levels. And I have to wake up early so I can drive all the way to Easley for this academy so I can do this job so that way I can make a lot of money and so that way I can take care of most of the things or save my paychecks. I just feel pretty defeated, you know? I'm just over it. I don't even know how to explain it. If you're not a woman, you wouldn't possibly understand. It's very exhausting, especially when they last longer. Just because you're in your 30s, they just last long. Mine were already annoying beforehand. Turn 30 plus, and they get even more annoying because your body is getting ready for menopause. First of all, I didn't ask for this. Second of all, why am I getting double whammied? I just want to be able to freaking have a period, call it a day. Instead, I gotta have a period, take ibuprofen, which literally I still don't want to do it anymore. Buy pads, continue to be a woman. Keep it up. I gotta continue to be. So exhausting. Oh, but on a side note, has anyone seen White Bird in a Blizzard? Ooh, Jesse. That is one of my favorite movies. It's very nicely well done. I'm about to take this off. It's very nicely well done. And it is based on a book, and I have not read it. But, it's the guy that played Olivia Benson's partner on Law and Order SVU. Well, he plays the dad in it, and I don't remember the woman's name that plays the mom, but Shailene Woodley is in it. Also, and dang, I forgot the black girl's name. I think it's Gabrielle, or it starts with a G. I forgot her name. And they have another best friend. I don't know his name though. Literally, that's a pretty good movie. And hopefully, if I got time this week, then I'll do a review on it. And at some point, I really actually need to get the book because the movie is honestly pretty good. I think so. No, I could just be biased. But I think it's pretty good. And I'm taking this off because I did a couple TikToks. And I wore this. And honestly, it's not like I don't want to work where I'm going to work. This is just really making me just not even want to go in, if I gotta be completely honest. I'm re-cramping now. It's like the worst. Kind of. And I put glitter on my eyelids, so it's gonna take a little bit to get off, which is unfortunate. Yeah, I'm gonna try and do a review on White Bird and the Blizzard. If you saw it, it's kind of like one of those indie movies, because I never really saw anybody do a review on it or anything or talk about it. It's not a bad movie. It's pretty like good written, and I'm pretty sure it's based off of like, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure I'm right. So anyways, I'm getting ready for bed. Hope you enjoy this mini vlog, whatever. Sorry it looks so grainy. I'm using my iPad because my phone was dead. So, hold on. Oh, man. And literally, without makeup, this is what it looks like. Not that great, I gotta be honest. It's literally like draining like life out of my eyes. I'm sorry this is so negative. Just don't, this for like more than a week. Your attitude really starts to change because the hormones are just awful. If anybody has any good recommendations for hair dye, I'm tired of looking at these grays, so. Anyways, enjoy the rest of your night, because I know I have to go to bed soon in like 30 minutes. That way I can be awake for the thing tomorrow that I have to do for 4 days straight, and then I go to work. Anyways, not see, but talk to everyone later.